Hello guys, it's digitronixnepali here. Today I'm going to show you the simulation result of Blake algorithm. This is the first algorithm of X17 and let's look at it. So let's look at the stimulus first of all. So this is our input values. We give this new input periodically every 4 clock cycles, and so let's copy this for a while. And this is the input value in simulation result. We can see this new input values every 4 clock cycles, and we get output over here every 4 clock cycles. So this is our first input for F0EF. I've already copied it. Let's check that value. It's this, and it should result 307269 something like that, and E95 something. So let's check that. Yes, we have 3072 E95 over here. So the simulation result matches the required value. So the this Blake is designed in a pipeline structure. So the beauty of this such pipeline structure is that we can give new input every period in a very short period of time. In this case, we can give a new input every 4 clock cycles. And so if we check the if we give the new input over here, like let's copy this and let's paste this. This is our second input and it is 86DA. So we give the input 20AFT something like that, and we get 86DA something. And so the beauty of this pipeline architecture is that we haven't got the output of first result, yet we can give the input immediately, right? So we can give new input immediately without waiting for the result of previous hash. So here is our second input, and the output is 86 DAV something like that, which matches the required value. So this is the Blake algorithm. If you have any queries, please feel free to email us and we'll reply to you soon. And we'll be posting new videos of X17 algorithms regularly, and we'll be sharing the design and methodologies also. So please subscribe to this channel and feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.